It's Friday morning at 5:51 in the morning, and we're starting our hike with 9 people here in the Grand Canyon. I'm already over it, but at least the scenery's nice. Now it's 7:21. I think we've been hiking for about 2 hours. This is the canyon. Yoo-hoo! So I think we made it to this checkpoint that says Havasupai.
Okay.
Is this switch working, or are you using timer?
I think we about made it to the village. We're being told to cross this bridge to get there. This is the establishment. I think supposedly up here we're gonna find a lodge, and then we'll continue on a couple miles to some campsites, but we're getting passed by a lot of mule traffic like this, stirring up dust, hauling people's packs in and out. Morning. It's on video. Alright, we made it to the tourist office.
There is 4 places for the restroom, 1 place for the water. If you guys want to get a bite to eat, there's a cafe located down the way and a market right across. Other than that, you guys got 2 more miles, about 45 minutes to an hour. You're going to follow the trail this way. There's signs that say campground, just follow those ones.
We'll get a better view in just a minute. Beautiful area. We made it to the campground. Let's go find a spot. So here's the best part. Our campsite is within a few steps of one of the biggest crystal blue waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. This is making me nervous to stand here. Do you see those people? Do you see the ladder that they use to get down there? Where are they? Right there. Ladders. You gotta be kidding me. It's dinner time tonight. I'm gonna fix a delicious pasta primavera tonight along the riverside.
Keep charging your phone? Yeah, it has a little
This is
fan.
good for
Goes
30
up,
years.
It's on low now, it goes up to high.
So we just finished dinner. It was delicious. Thanks, Chef Todd. Appreciate it.
Hot water.
Okay, it's Saturday morning, I think. Forget what day it is when you're down here in the canyon. But I survived my night in that tent back there. Getting ready to fix breakfast, maybe go for some hikes today. See what this place has to offer. Morning. Everybody sleep okay? Whoa, 10 hours. Look at that riverbed though. What are we making? Uh-oh. Leave no trace. Trigger. This is our hike down to the falls. having to go through the mountain. I can't believe I just came down this thing. Yep. Nice job, Sarah! Woo! But the trip was worth it. Check that out. So our campsite is right at the top of this. And there's a ton of people still trying to come down. Let's see where Mom went. That was nerve-wracking, but I just came back up here against opposing traffic. We found a fry bread stand.
And music.
And Dr.
No
Pepper.
amplified music except for at the fry bread stand.
Mmm. See at the top. I'm taking a helicopter out with Todd and Mom.
Cheater.
All right, we're off. Well, we made it back to the trailhead. I don't know if the folks who were hiking have beat us here or if we beat them here because we waited so long for the helicopter, but time to head back to civilization. Good to be back in an air-conditioned car and moving along in my preferred mode of transportation. All right, back to civilization we go.
I don't know if I want to. I want to be Havasupai and the rest of my life.
Good times. All right, see ya.